Okay, see you na lang sa... How many times you already... Takot ang anak. Siniikot na naman kami. COD to look at for Elsa. I hope na meron pa this time. And ngayon, dito kami sa LRT, di ba? Antok na ang anak ko. So, see you sa...
Galaxy.
Okay. Dito kami ngayon sa ano? Yan.
Pasta.
Yeah. So, now, pupunta kami ng
Cable car.
cable car. Sa Win Palace. Kasi galing namin ng Gran Lisboa Palace. Then now, we go to Win Palace para lang matry ang
Cable car.
cable car. And I hope na walang pila. Sana. Para mag-enjoy. So hanapin lang namin yung kunasan sa ano. Then pipila na kami doon.
Ooh.
At ayun ang pila. So you still want it?
Yeah.
Okay, pipila daw kami. Okay, see you na lang sa dyan. Pag nasa loob na kami niyan.
Hi guys.
We are near but yet so far.
Almost.
Huh?
There's almost.
Yung sasakyan namin. Sasakyan na kami later. Ano masabi mo? Excited ka na?
Yes.
How excited you are?
Very.
Very, how many times you already...
One time.
Only one time ba?
Yeah.
Is this your second time?
Yeah.
Okay. This is my multiple time. Ano, mag-video na tayo sa loob. We are going to ride. You want to be here? No, here. So how was it? Want to say something? Okay, dito na kami sa loob. So, magano lang kami ng anak ko. Ikot-ikot lang kami. How was it? Tell something. We are now in the sky. We're not in the sky. Dito kami sa ano, ayan. Sa Win Palace.
Bakit kunti lang ang linya mo?
What do you mean? I don't know, I think di na kami bababa dito. Kumbaga, kasi pagdating dun sa taas, pagdating dun sa dulo. Okay, be careful, Sarah. Bigla ito ikot. Woo! Takot ang anak ko. Ayun na takot. So, how far tayo? Are you scared of heights?
If there's water beneath.
You're not scared. Pag may water. Because you know how to swim. Okay. So, this is the part where ito na yung pinaka-taas, I think. So, everything you can see below. So, you can see everything from here. Ibat ka na, takot ka? Yeah, you can see Londoner, MGM. Siniikot na naman kami.
Was there ever an accident before?
Nothing I ever heard of. And I hope may music siya. Sana hindi siya maano copyright. So now nasa halfway na kami. And I hope na hindi na kami pababain. Baga dire-diretso na kami bababa. Para di na kami kailangan pumila. Wow! Ha?
I think it's just like last time.
Yeah. So that's the... So wala siyang ano, no? Wala siyang jacuzzi? Where? Oh, maybe it's a pool, ano siya? Maybe, yeah. Is there someone using it? Or maybe it's heated. Yeah. I think so, it's heated.
Well, diba, only the people that stay here can swim.
Probably. It's a part of amenities. Yeah. And we're almost there. So winter, they still want to swim, no?
Parang ako.
It's so cold. Now we're almost there.
I think I have to go down.
Hmm? No, I think we can. And we're almost there. Malapit na kami matapos. Ganyan na lang tayo, di ba?
Ay, bababa ka pa.
No, I think no need. We will say we will not go down.
Hindi pa pila.
I think we okay.
Ay, hindi pa pila nga.
Hmm?
Hindi pa pila. Oo nga, ba't siya pila? Bababa.
We will say we will not, ano.
You need to.
I will ask them.
You need to like going down.
Yeah. But I can ask them not to. So I think it's fine. I told you. I think it's fine. So we add one more passenger. So we don't have to fall in line again. So after this, saan tayo? Kaka-exit lang namin dito sa tawag dyan ito?
Cable car.
Cable car. So now tatawid na kami. We're going to COD. Tapos na kami. So that's one of the free rides dito sa Macau Saira. Isa sa mga pwede mong gawin sa Macau. Diba? Did we pay anything?
No.
Of course not. Doon, basta libre.
Sige.
Sige. Ngayon, dito kami sa LRT. Magte-train kami at parang dumating na yata. Punta tayo ng... Di na kami pupunta sa COD kasi tamad na yung kasama ko. We're just going to Galaxy. And there's the train na. So mabilis, di ba? This, ha?
K-pop.
Pangit?
No K-pop.
What? So So we just mag-ride kami na, uy! The trains are so short.
Ayun naman, grabe.
Yeah. So, hold the 100.
多呀。
I will hold to my daughter.
20个单元，然后是10个选择，
Ayan, ilang station ba tayo?
然后我要2个位置。
I don't know. So,
不是那个是小段。
dito na kami sa LRT. See you sa
Galaxy.
Galaxy.
Hi guys.
At least nakaupo na kami. Diba? Antok na ang anak ko. Dito kami sa LRT. Medyo malapit na kami sa stop namin. Yeah, that's an indoor.
I wanna go there.
I don't know if it is open. Pero maybe next time. So, yun. Ganun lang kami. Nakaupo lang kami sa LRT. How many minutes lang? Wala pa naman. Siguro 10 minutes. Nandun na tayo. Is 10 minutes na ba? Hindi pa, di ba? So, kasi usually ang biyahe na ito from end to end is nasa mga 45 minutes lang sa end to end. From Bara to airport. Hanggang airport to eh. So, it's very fun. Ano siya? Kung pag gusto nyo pwede kayong mag-LRT dito from the airport. Or pwede rin bus kasi accessible naman halos lahat dito. Naka-exit na kami. Ganun lang kabilis. 'Di ba? Nasa Galaxy na kami. So, click na. No, I think it's hinabol namin ng pero hindi namin nakaputan. Kasi ang daming tao pala. Hindi namin nakita, no? So, napababa kami ng hagdanan. So, punta na tayo ng
I prefer to go to April. Can I?
Yeah. Gutom ng alaga ng
I said Pina.
iba? Okay. So, see you sa
Galaxy.
Okay. Dito kami sa Galaxy. Papasok na kami. And ang unang hahanapin ay
Toilet.
yan. Yes, sa loob na kami.
Ayun o.
Ha? Wala tayong kakilala? You want to look at... Ayaw mo ng tinapay, no? Where's the toilet? This is Galaxy pala. Mostly the ground floor dito sa Macau is mga kainan, mga dito mga apparel. Maraming apparel dito, jewelries, yun. Yeah, it's intentional. And yeah, hanap na kami ng toilet.
Papunta na lang sa April.
Ha? Papunta sa apron? Okay. Yung nanay mo Yan. Mag-rest muna tayo doon. So, dito kami ngayon sa Crystal Lobby. ng Galaxy. So, how many times na you've been here?
Many times.
Yeah, many times. So, kabisado mo na to. You know, people that keep on, hindi na parang alam din nila na may camera akong hawak. Dadaan sila sa harapan ko. Ito yung Crystal Lobby. Yan, meron diyang lagi, umakit-akit. Yan. Yan ito ang Galaxy. Yan ang Galaxy, nila. Tapos, yan. Kaya kasi season kasi ngayon ng Christmas, kaya ngayon maraming decoration ng pang Pasko. So ngayon punta kami ng
April.
kung saan nagtatrabaho ang okay. So lalakad na kami, mga ilang lang to, hakpang lang to, andun na kami. Then toilet, yeah. Toilet daw muna siya.
要康木哦，康木，对吧？
Na kami?
铁灰木哦，
Lapit na kami sa apron at nakikita na namin si nanay. Texting. Say hi to nanay. Yan. Siya yung kasama ko sa Thailand. Yung babae na yan. Siya yung kasama ko. Kaya, yan. Yan. Siya yung kasama ko sa Thailand. Di ba? Yeah. Say hi. Wala pa. Say hi.
May
Kiss.
lipstick.
Yeah. Yan. So, unlock na yung natin, agenda natin. Right? So, unlock na yung agenda namin. So, we're good. Sa April na kami. Mga prime, kakain kami dito, i-vlog din namin.
Yeah. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. You can eat now. So what's the story behind it? This we eat here in Passion. We eat here in Passion. So anong story ng food mo, Saira?
So we were gonna...
You order what first?
I forgot.
It's creamy.
Creamy mushroom penne.
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 Pasta.
Pasta.
Yeah. So, it's so hot. Later. So what's the story behind it?
We were gonna pay
Maybe around 90 baht.
a mop, but
Because Nanay has a friend here.
it was only for 63.
Yeah. So how much is the discount? It's 30. No, it's 30. No, it's 30. 37. 27 pala. Ang discount mo. So it's fine. It's kind of good, right? How was it? So she gonna eat first.
Mac and cheese.
Okay. So you like it? Okay, so yan.
One stop. Yeah.
Tapos na kaming kumain, busog na tong alaga naman ako. So ngayon, exit na kami sa Galaxy.
We're going home.
Yeah, we're going home. And how's your trip? Are you happy?
Yeah.
And you're busog?
Yeah.
Yeah, yun. This is for today na, no? Wala na tayong So happy ka na? How busog you are?
Very busog. I feel like I don't eat. I feel like higop lang ako sa bawal.
Chos.
Hindi, higop lang ako sa sabaw is gulay. But no rice.
Whatever. Okay, say bye-bye to them.